Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 131,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, stability control, traction control, premium audio, and CD player. Call Tim Bowe at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.